guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you doing? Go hit that subscribe button. Make sure you thumbs up this video if you love it, and leave me a comment down below about how you love it, if you have any questions, and I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible. So let's get right to it. Hair I have on my head is the Jeanette Collection Maverick Locs. So Jeanette Collection sent me about 8 packs of Maverick Locs in length 12 inches and in the color OT1B30. And y'all, I used every single bit of it on my head. Y'all know I got a big head, right? Okay, so we already established that. I didn't think I was gonna use all 8 packs, but I actually think I needed more because, yeah, it's not as full as I would normally do it, but this is still cool. 8 packs is good. 8 packs should be enough for your head, but I'm just a little overly like dramatic when it comes to my hair. So, but I'm cool with this. 8 packs still is enough. It's still really full. Yeah, still really good. I'm not gonna waste too much time on, you know, talking about it. I'm just gonna do a voiceover and just quickly post a little bit of tutorial showing you guys how I do it. I have multiple videos on my channel about how to do crochet braids, but I decided why not just do another tutorial, you know, while installing this hair. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Okay, so like I said earlier, I'll be using the Jeanette Collection Maverick Locs in length 12, and it's about 12 strands on each pack of hair. So altogether, I have about 8 packs of hair, and we're gonna get started, okay? So as usual, I have the same braid pattern that I normally do for most of my crochet hair videos. It's about 12 to 13 braids all together in front and about, 6 to 7 braids going back. So as you can see, I connect the braids, especially where I'm going to have my part at. And yeah. So right here, I'm just trying to put my finger through the loop so I can have a better grip. So when I'm trying to pull my hair through the hair, it's easier. I really love this hair, guys. It's really thick and it's very easy to install. So attaching the crochet hair to your head is actually the easy part. That's one of the reasons why I love crochet braids. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to take my crochet needle with a closed latch, pull it under my braid. Then I'm going to open that latch, attach the hair to the latch, close it, and then pull it through my braid. Just like that, it's in there. And then I'm just gonna pull the hair through the loop and secure it. That's it, guys. That's it. I'm gonna do it up close one more time. So with your dominant hand, you're gonna take your crochet needle, make sure it's closed, pull it under your braid, then you're gonna open it and attach the hair. Close the latch, pull it under your braid, and then you're gonna just pull the hair through the loop. And that's it, guys. That's how you do a crochet braid. As you guys can see, I'm really enjoying this new look. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope you guys stay tuned in for my next video. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.